Good morning, children. This is third standard English class, block 13, making comparisons. What is comparison, children? Comparison means nothing but finding the differences and similarities between the two things. So for that we need comparing words. For example, in S1 we have compared our house with Stephen's house. There what did we do? We just listed the adjectives about our house and Stephen's house. But now in today's class we are going to write the comparing words. Now children, what are these? These are two pencils. So this is a big pencil and this is a small pencil. These are the adjectives we are using for these pencils. See, for example, when we are going to compare these two pencils, what are the words we will use? How we have to use the comparing words? So this is pencil A. This is big. Pencil B, small. So when we are writing comparing words, how we have to write? So what we have to write? Pencil A is bigger than pencil B. So here this is a comparing word. See children, this is the adjective. But when we are comparing the two things, when we are comparing pencil A with pencil B, so what we are doing? We are using the comparative adjective. We are using the comparative adjective. There are some rules when we are writing that comparative adjectives, children. If they are short adjectives, we just mostly we'll add er to the adjectives. If that is short adjective, we'll just add er. See for example, that adjective is ending with y, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. So how the comparative adjective will come? Heavier, H-E-A-V-I-E-R. In place of y, what we have to do? We have to write I and then we should add er. Heavy, heavier. And see, if that is CVC word, say for example, big. See here, big, CVC word. So here what happened? Again, we have to write the consonant and we should add er. Big, bigger. And sometimes we'll have the long adjectives like, beautiful, comfortable. They are long adjectives. For that, we should add more. Beautiful. We should write more beautiful. Comfortable, more comfortable. Interesting, more interesting. Like that we should write, children. I hope you all understood. Okay? Open your English workbooks. S2, comparing words. Write today's date, children. 21-11-2020. Here first question. Read the words that you wrote in the Venn diagram in S1 to show the differences between Stephen's house and your house. So here what we are going to do is we are going to write the comparing words, not the adjectives, comparing words. So these are the adjectives, children. But see, when we are comparing the words, we learn the rules, no? See here, what we are going to do is, for this we are going to make comparing words. Here what is it? First one, big. What will be the comparing word, children? Bigger. Clean, cleaner. See, for many words we simply add er at the end. Okay, for words that ending with y. See for example here, fancy. That ending with y, what we have to do? We write I in place of y and then add er. Even for CVC words, we write the last letter once again and then add er. As I told you, see for long adjectives like expensive, comfortable, what we have to do? We have to add more before that adjective. Now let us see. First one, what is it? Big, bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. Second one, clean, cleaner. Third one, C1, expensive. Yeah, it's a long adjective. What we have to do? We have to add more expensive. D1, comfortable. That is also long adjective. What we have to do? More comfortable. See that even. Cold. Colder. F1, beautiful. It is also long adjective. What we have to do? We have to add more. More beautiful. Nice. Nicer. New. Newer. Colorful. It is also long adjective. More colorful. Fancy. So this word ends with Y. So what we have to do? We have to remove Y and we should add I and then we'll add ER. So fancier. Now like this you have to write. Now here Stephen's words list is there, children. So what you have to do? You have to write comparing words here. See, small, smaller, old, older, clean, cleaner, cheap, cheaper, windy, windier, sunny, sunnier, plain, plainer, comfortable, more comfortable, pretty, prettier, beautiful, more beautiful. Okay, children? Now, see the second one. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the brackets. Here they have given you some words. So what you have to do? You have to write correct form of the words. A1. A bit. Bicycles are dash than cars. Slow, slower. A hill is dash than a mountain. Small, smaller. Children who exercise are dash than children who don't. Strong, stronger. Then I am dash than my brother. Tall, taller. The sea is dash than a lake. Large, larger. You look dash than last month. Have you lost weight? Thin, thinner. Summer this year was dash than last year. Hot, hotter. Heavy, heavier. See here, Y is there. What you have to do? You have to remove Y. Then you should add IER. My best friend is dash than me. Funny, funnier. I think Spanish is dash than Japanese. Easy, easier. Sports shoes are dash than sandals. Comfortable. It is a long adjective, children. So what you have to do? More comfortable. A gold watch is dash than a silver watch. Expensive. It is also long adjective. More expensive. Okay, children? Complete these bits and this one also. Now open your English classworks. Open fresh page, children, in classwork. Block 13. Write today's date here in the margin. Draw the double margin, making comparisons. After drawing the double margin, leave one line. Comparative adjectives. So we are going to write the definition. We use comparative adjectives to compare two things, full stop. Most short adjectives can be made into comparatives by adding ER. Okay, now afterwards leave one line and again draw the double margin. Here left side adjectives and here right side comparative. Smart, smarter. Small, smaller. Big, bigger. Pretty, prettier. White, whiter. Beautiful, more beautiful. Interesting, more interesting. Tired, more tired. Unusual, more unusual. Horrible, more horrible. Okay, children? Draw the double margin and draw a line in the middle. Write neatly. Okay, children? Thank you. We will meet in the next class.